Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited to show you what I got from Sephora. So I did make it to VIP Rouge. So I did do 2 orders. So let's get started. So the last month, I didn't buy anything from Sephora because I made a new face wash. So I was like, I'll just use what I have. And I had little samples. And so I had 500 points that I used on like a Drunk Elephant mini size versions. And so I was using that for like a week and a half. And I know it's like a really short time to go out and buy full-size skincare, but I was like, okay, I really liked it. It made my skin so clear, so moisturized. So that's what I picked up. The first thing I got was a jelly cleanser from Drunk Elephant, the full-size one. Actually, really like it. The second thing that I got was Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask, and I got the full-size one because I go through this stuff like crazy. I absolutely love it. It's so moisturizing. If I'm so lazy to do any other skincare, I'll just wash my face and I'll put this on, and I wake up and my skin feels so hydrated. And I swear, you put this on, your acne is like so much clearer in the morning. Like, I love this stuff. The Drunk Elephant, I got Proteini cream and the Proteini serum. Kind of wished I got the full size of the serum, but oh well. And I ended up being skincare because for the most part I'm just repurchasing all my loved products. So I'm a little bit sad that I didn't get more makeup to try, but fear not, it'll come. So the other product that I got from Drunk Elephant, the Pink Drunk Elephant oil, which I was really scared about trying this at first because I was like, an oil on my face. Sounds like a recipe to break me out, but I actually really love it. It makes my skin look so glowy. Product from Drunk Elephant, I got the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. And then I did have some points to use as well. So I picked up a Smooth Skin, the Ultra Repair Cream, and the Bump Eraser from First Aid Baby, which I've heard a lot of good things, so I'm really excited to try that. So I got the Peace Out Acne Stickers. I couldn't wait to use it, obviously, and I could get the tape open. I was too lazy to go get something to open it with, so I just ripped it. It's okay. I got the 40 pack because I love these. Miracle Overnight. It's worth the money. Just saying. Just saying. Samples as well. So I got Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. I honestly hear such mixed things about it, and it's free. Why not? Got the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. I'm actually so happy that they come with like a few different shades because I'm a new level of pale when it comes to concealer and foundations. Makeup Forever Pore Minimizer Primer. I have lost my beauty blender and I am so sad because I have no idea where it went. I just haven't been using one the last few months. So I was like, you know what, the sales are around the corner anyways, I'll pick up a new beauty blender. And this one comes with a little like cleanser for it for the same price as a normal one. So I was like, gotta get it. And it's a little cute, you can put it on your tree. I kind of wish I got 2 though because I do love it. I wanted one just for like my concealer and foundation, and then I want to get another one just for like my cream products, cream blushes, because I don't want to mix the 2, but I do tend. The Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Match Stick. This is in the shade Amber. There's a girl on TikTok, and I think her name is Kylie, and she's a redhead, and she's always posting videos about different makeup recommendations for different makeup recommendations for fair skin and just being a redhead and what products work, what colors don't. And this was one of her recommendations because when it comes to like bronzing my face, it tends to always be too orange, and I've never really tried contouring because, well, all the shades are just too brown and it makes my face look really gross and I don't like it. I had watched my last Sephora haul from the summer or spring. You'll notice that I do have an obsession with the Olaplex bonding oil. I used to go through this like once a month. So still love it, so I had to pick up another one because I'm all out. And then with my points, I picked up the Laneige Sleep Care Cica Sleeping Mask. And then I picked up the Kosas Reveal Concealer, and I'm wearing it today under my eyes, and I gotta say, I absolutely love this. I got it in the shade 1N. I want to try out the foundation, but the shades are like the same as the concealer, so it's like, I don't know which one to get. Store, they don't have any testers at all, so. Summer Fridays Lip Balm Butter Mask. Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. The Poppy, because it's a little bit orangey, which I love orangey tones on me. But I do really want to try out the other one that they have. It's kind of like a fun color. And so the last thing that I picked up is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner and the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide drops. I had a mini sample of the toner and I actually really love it, and it wasn't drying out my skin at all, and it made my skin really glowy, but also I absolutely love the way they smell. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know what you want to see next.